Camaro IROC-Z.
Looking so hot, so good. So much fun under the hood.
All right, Joey, what the hell is this thing?
It's a Camaro.
What is the IROC part of it?
Because I rock. Like you got the SS's and the RS's. It's an IROC.
Trim level.
Ask me what makes it an IROC.
The rust. That's what makes it an IROC. And there's wood for a battery holder.
Oh yeah, because why do we got wood for a battery holder? Oh, because there's a bunch of rot.
Oh, the dash.
Oh yeah.
I don't think it'll go back as one.
I don't think so either. I really don't.
You're gonna pull it out and it's just shattered like Legos.
Yeah. It's just old and brittle. The Florida sun kills cars.
Yeah.
Dash pads and paint jobs. Normally, to get to the fuel tank, you got to drop it out the car. Well, someone cut the floor out to access the fuel pump. A lot of people, they make an access panel for this to put a lid on it. Because to pull the gas tank out almost requires pulling the rear end out too. So after I get done doing what I'm doing, I got to put a new fuel pump in it, run all new fuel lines, and then I'll make a nicer cover than what they have. I got to rip every bit of wiring out of this car because we're rewiring the whole car completely.
Holy crap.
Completely. Sniper do on it. The whole fuel system.
Another one?
On it. Yep. All the parts are right there.
Oh, dang, you already bought it.
I got an intake and distributor I got to put on it. But once we pulled the intake off, this is what we found. The motor's all gummed up in the cooling passages. There's metal all in the motor. So right now we're 98% sure that the customer's going to have us rip the motor out and we're going to buy a new crate engine for it. The customer said this was a crate engine.
Was.
It is a crate engine. So we found all the stickers on it that proves that it is a crate engine. It is a 350. But someone put the crate engine before this guy bought it, and whoever did it didn't take good care of it. They didn't run no coolant in it.
Oh.
So that's why it's all like that. That's what happens when you don't run coolant in an engine. It rusts everything up and then it starts gumming everything up. Because your coolant, if you ever fill coolant, is kind of oily.
Mm-hmm.
It coats the block, stops it from rusting. When you run straight water, you get rust and erosion. As of right now, I got all the front, all dewired. Engine is dewired. So all I got to do, I'm gonna get the front seats pulled out, get the center console pulled out, start getting my dash pulled out, get all that wiring out. And then I got to tackle the back, get the wiring out the tail lights and all that stuff back there. And then once that's done, then I can start rewiring the car.
What's up? How's it going? It's looking cleared out.
Well, I got to get to all this wiring that's in here to get all this wiring out. Rats will be making that.
They got hungry.
So good and tasty.
Looks like you got a lot of the wiring out.
All the wiring and engine compartments out.
Nice.
So now I'm just trying to get this back piece out, and then I'm gonna get the console out and the dash out and get all that wiring out.
That's a huge plus. Looks like we got all wiring out from here. It's all right there. How's it coming along, sir?
You'll see it.
Oh my goodness, holy rust.
Yeah. Holy crap. Come on, dude. Come on. So today what we got going on the 85 Camaro is, as you can see, there's nothing left in my engine compartment. I'm getting ready to pop the hood, pull the motor. Of the interior out of this thing, getting ready to wire it all up, do a little bit of rust repair in the floors. As you can tell back there, there's no fuel tank in it no more.
Oh, snap.
Fuel tank's all rusty as can be. All right, so under here, we had to pull the gas tank because the gas tank was rusty. But to get the gas tank out, I had to cut the exhaust out because it was completely solid welded in, no joints to take it apart.
Oh my gosh.
Also, to get the gas tank out, the exhaust has to come out. Pan hard bar has to be dropped. There's a brace that goes from here to here that's got to be dropped. Some heat shields that have to come out. Pull the gas tank straps, and then you got to finagle this tank out of this hole right here.
Wow.
So that's what we've gotten done today, and now I'm ready to pull a motor.
Sweet. Joey's looking beautiful, Joey.
Unfortunately, you can't see the wiring from inside.
I know, I just realized that.
Here, I'll show you. I'll take 2 seconds. Pop these guys off right quick.
We need to look at your beautiful wires.
And then you can see the wire.
So we use hockey tape to actually wrap. Yeah, I said that. Did I?
Fabric tape, yeah.
To wrap our wires.
It makes it
What
more
is the-
flexible.
Okay, yeah.
More flexible. If you use electrical tape over time, the glue on the electrical tape from the heat and everything starts to
Makes it nasty.
makes a nasty mess. And when you use electrical tape to tape all your wires up, they become real stiff because electrical tape don't flex as good as hockey tape does.
Ooh,
There's the wiring.
it is looking beautiful. Now, did you replace this one?
That one got replaced.
How come?
It was bad.
Huh.
Well, it's not that it was bad, it's wrong. Because factory, the car's wired different from the way I'm wiring the car. The factory, you have a wire for brake lights,
Mm-hmm.
you have a wire for turn signals, and one for running lights. Or with the system that I'm putting in, the turn signal wire does both turn signal and brake lights. So I had to replace the center one because the center one was a 2-wire, it needed to be a 3-wire.
So what kind of sound deadening are you putting in the bottom of this?
Sound deadener.
Huh?
It's just sound deadener.
Just regular old?
Yep. Regular old sound deadener. Who are you? What do you want?
Sir, I've been trying to reach you about your car's extended warranty.
I'm going to update you guys where Joey's at currently on the Camaro. We're a whole bunch of steps forward compared to where we're at. Last seen, we were actually welding the floor pans. So we've already done all that. He's killed it on that. We've already got the sound deadening done. Also, new carpets going in. We had to pull the vintage air stuff back out because of getting the carpet underneath there. But that's back in. He's fitting the carpet, getting the seat belts in, and we're going to be throwing the dash in soon. So if you guys want to make sure, stay tuned. We got new updates for the Camaro and the final product. Hopefully you guys will see it real soon.
Woo. Come on, quick, mother.